Well, hello, my friend. I am coming to you from my closet, my tiny little walk-in closet in my little house. And I'm coming to talk to you about guilt clothes. Guilt clothes. So what are guilt clothes? And how do we get rid of them? Let's talk about that just briefly, okay? And if you pop on, be sure and comment and so I can answer you. Hi, Manthe. So that's my daughter. Her nickname is Manthe. So I have some notes here just so I don't forget. So what are guilt clothes? So guilt clothes in your closet are clothes that make you feel guilty for one reason or another, right? So you've got the clothes that maybe don't fit you anymore. Maybe, we're going to go on the positive side, maybe you've lost a bunch of weight, but you're afraid that you're going to gain the weight back. So you keep your quote unquote fat jeans, right? As an example. Or maybe you bought a bunch of clothes last year when you did lose weight and now you've gained some of that weight back. And you are worried about well, I spent this money on these clothes and now I have gained this weight back and they're just sitting in your closet, sort of making you feel bad for gaining the weight back, right? So that's another sense of guilt. I spent this money and now it was a waste of money because I've gained the weight back, right? So that's number one. Number two is, well, I kind of just touched on that. You spent a lot of money on them because it was on sale or it's a name brand or a designer that you love or whatever, and you spend a lot of money on the clothing, but you never wear it anymore. So what's that really costing you? And the third thing is it was a gift or it has sentimental value. Okay, I grew up with this mentality. My mom used to be like, yeah, but grandma gave you that sweater. Yeah, but I hate it. So those are three types of guilt clothes. All right. So number two, why do they hold you back? Why do they hold you back? Well, again, it is that feeling of you feel bad about it, right? So it gets in your head, and every time you're in your closet and you see one of these items that you feel bad about, you feel like you're a failure. You gained the weight back. You wasted your money. Those kind of things. You feel like ashamed that those things happened. And lastly, you feel frustrated with yourself because of those things we just talked about, or frustrated because you have a closet full of clothes, but you feel like you have nothing to wear. That's frustrating. You don't want to start your day with frustration, right? So those are three reasons why guilt clothes hold you back, right? Failure, shame, and frustration. And then the last thing is, well, okay, Tina, I'm with you. I'm on board. How do I let them go? How do I let the guilt clothes go? And this is what I run into all the time with my one-on-one styling clients when I'm going to help them and we're teaming up on a closet detox. I think it's easier for them to let things go with me standing there and asking them the questions like, would you buy this again if it was sitting in front of you in the store? Those kind of questions. But when you're on your own, it's a little bit harder. That decision is harder to make. But so let me give you some tools maybe to use to let them go. So you can reframe it in your mind. So reframe it that if you're going to let go of, even if it's just 10 items or 20 items, or some people, I leave their home with 5 or laundry bags full of clothing. That leaves room then for you to replace things over time. I'm not saying you have to do it all the time, but over time that fit your current life. They fit your body. They fit your lifestyle, the job you have now. They fit your budget. Okay. So, reframe that thinking into, why am I holding on to this when I can make room for something better that fits me now? better. Okay. Number 2, you can donate things to someone who needs them and someone who might love that thing that doesn't fit you anymore, but it is something that they would love, right? When I take clothing from my clients that we've detoxed out of their closets, or even out of my own closet, I take them to the Humble Lily, which is a boutique here in Omaha, but it's a boutique that the proceeds go to help the Bethlehem, a ministry that helps women in need. And clothing that they don't put in the boutique, they give away and donate to women who need them. So it's a win-win, right? You make space in your closet and you're helping someone else who really needs it. And then the last thing is you aren't obligated to keep these things, okay? Just because your grandma bought you that sweater doesn't mean you're obligated to keep it. So you can let it go, and it's okay. And she probably won't even know it or worry about it at all. Okay. So those are some tips about those guilt clothes that you are hanging on to. But let me tell you about something I have coming up I'm super excited about, and I've sort of been waiting on it for my own closet because I need to do a closet detox. It is time, but I'm waiting till after the holidays. So what I'm doing, you can come along on this journey with me, is I am hosting a 3-day closet detox Bootcamp that you can get in on. I just opened the cart today for you to get in on it. You can sign up. It's on my website, which is www.realstylereallife, all one word, .com/bootcamp. So you can go ahead and sign up for it. It's only $27, which is just a fraction of what I charge to go in to your closet. It's 3 days, and I'm going to offer some different times. So if you work during the day, you can do the evening time. If you are busy in the evening, you can do it during the daytime. So I'll post about that once you've signed up. You can pick your time, but it's a great deal, and it's going to be, again, January 7th, 8th, and 9th. That's a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So get in on that and start the new year fresh. So I will talk to y'all soon. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much. And if I don't talk to you before then, happy holidays and God bless.